Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to assign a template to a page in Shopify. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get first month on Shopify for just $1. So make sure to give it a try to that. Now also discussing about the donation link that is below, and that will be super awesome if you donate. Now jumping straight onto the video first. Of course, every process is gonna start from Shopify admin. Now, what is Shopify admin? If you ask, it is the very first page that you get right after logging into your Shopify account. It is your homepage, your admin, and your Shopify admin. So head over to your online store. From there, you can see we have our online store here, and under that we have our pages. Make sure to click on that, and after that you have your in the online store section. Use your drop down menu to select a new theme template to apply to a selected page. And once you do that, you can see on the right side we have our default page. We can choose our template to a page on Shopify using that. And if you want to customize your page template, that is a completely other story, and we will discuss that in one of our later video. But yeah, so that is how you can easily assign a template to a page onto Shopify. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description below to get yourself first month on Shopify for just $1. See you guys around in the next one. You can also donate if you want to using the link in the description. That will be super awesome as well. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.